Staring at a black screen when you plug your phone into your GMC Terrain is a common frustration, so let's fix it. Data shows that nearly 80% of these black screen issues are just minor software hangs that a quick reset can clear. Before you take your SUV to the dealership, we need to run through these diagnostic steps. Start with the basics by swapping your cable, cleaning your phone port, and confirming your iPhone is fully updated. If that fails, try a hard reset of your GMC's head unit and repair your phone from scratch. More persistent issues often point to outdated vehicle firmware or a failing physical USB data module in the console. Always attempt these software resets yourself, but leave module replacements or wiring repairs to the professionals. As you can see, most solutions cost absolutely nothing, while hardware replacements can get expensive quickly. For advanced troubleshooting, check your fuse box for blown circuits or use an OBD-I scanner to find communication errors. Keep a high-quality data cable and a basic scanner in your glove box to handle these connectivity issues on the go. Remember, technology is great until it isn't, so always prioritize a full system reset before assuming your hardware is dead. If these steps didn't clear your screen, head to the dealer for a firmware flash. Thanks for watching and drive safe.